everybody, it's Puppet here and I am super hungry, so let's see what we have in the fridge so I can have a snack. We have no food? Oh no! Oh my goodness! Oh my god, we don't even have any eggs! Oh my god, this is an emergency! Jessie Cake! Bubbleisha! Yes, Puppet? What's happening? I hear you screaming from the next room. We have no food. Oh my goodness. Oh, no wonder Puppet is hysterical. We have no food. What are we gonna do? I think it's time for us to go to the supermarket. Yeah. Okay, we are in supermarket now and we are ready to rock and roll. Okay, girls, so here's the plan. Jessie Cake, you will get the dessert, and Bubbleisha, you can get the drinks, and I will get the fruits and vegetables. That sounds like a plan. Okay, so let's see what we got here. We have all kinds of fruits and vegetables here, but first things first, eggs. We need some eggs. Definitely need some eggs. So here you go. We got all 6 of them. So what should we get next? That peach looks so yummy. I would get one of that, please. There you go. What should we get next? I think that avocado looks delicious. Yeah, let's get 1 avocado. Into the bag. Here you go. Let's see. Definitely needs vegetables, so we should get a carrot. I think my shopping cart is kind of full now. I think I'm set with my shopping, so see you at home. Okay, so it's my turn to shop. Let's get some desserts. I think the girls would love some desserts. What should we get? I definitely would love a cupcake. That one, yes. That looks delicious. Yum. How about a cake pop? We can share the cake pop together. Cupcake and a cake pop. I think that's all we need. We can share those 2 things between the 3 of us. So that's all the desserts I need to get. See you later. Bye. So it's my turn to shop now. I only need 1 bottle of soda. Did you guys see whether they have any sodas here? You're right. There it is. 1 bottle of soda. 1 bottle of soda in the cart. So we're good to go. We made it home from our shopping trip and it's time to put our groceries away. Yeah, I can't wait. Soon our empty refrigerator will be filled with yummy things. Let's do Bubbleisha cart first. We can put the soda over here. There you go. 1 bottle of soda. Next, we should put the cupcake in the refrigerator and the cake pops. Then the peach and the yummy avocado. Don't forget the carrots. Yum. Last but not least, the eggs. Yummy eggs. I cannot wait to make omelets. Yay! Our fridge is full. Let's close it up. I'm so happy now that our fridge is full of yummy things. Yay! We have so much fun shopping at the supermarket today. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!